You can see that we have just gotten to our destination for today installation of our 500 watts solar generator. Delivering was successful and the payment on delivery was also successful. We are now on for the installation. So this is the panel. We are taking it up to the roof for mounting it, for setting it. So here is tightening the solar. Then this is the Ikorodu, Lagos, Nigeria. This is around acquisition center. This is where mounting of the system take place, installing the system and linking it to the house load. You can see we are making some load separation by taking out the load that's not supposed to be with the system, that the system cannot be able to handle. We have separated it from the DB, so now the work is done. So you can see what the system can be able to take. These are the things it powers. You can see them now through the video. These are the appliances, the lighting in the sitting room. You can see the lighting, the POP light, plus so other appliances, plus other load appliances such as TV, sound system, the fans, the lighting, plus other low energy consumption system. So this 500 watt system is good for 3-bedroom room apartment, 2-bedroom, 1-bedroom, 1 self-contained apartment. You can see.